Sir, so I took the speed subscription in my second year of residency. I straight away took the 2 year subscription because I wanted it to help with both my residency and the SS exam also. So it was very helpful during residency. I could correlate the clinics with the app. And, I could open the app in my wards, in my OPD.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Nikhil Kumar Gill for scoring a very good rank of 28 in DM Pulmonary Critical Care Group in NEET session April 2026. Congratulations, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much.
Great. Can we know your brief background from where you started till date? What all you have accomplished?
Yeah, sure, sir. Sir, I did my MBBS from BMMC and Safdarjung Hospital, Delhi. Then I joined as MD in MLB Medical College, Jhansi, in respiratory medicine. I completed my residency in last December. Then I'm currently working as a SR1 in the same hospital.
Great. Wonderful, Doctor. Now, why DM Pulmonary Medicine, Pulmonary Critical Care? Where is the special interest came from? Who inspired you? What made you think to be a school in this field?
Sir, while doing the residency, I got in very much awe to this branch, and I wanted to pursue something more in this only. I wanted to do something more in interventions and sleep and critical care, and then I found out that DM is a very good combination of all these, so I can just go for DM also.
Very nice, very nice. Now, what you did, what all you prepared, how you prepared, what was your preparation strategy? Can you share something on that?
Yes, sir. Sir, so I took the speed subscription in my second year of residency. I straight away took the 2 year subscription because I wanted it to help with both my residency and the SS exam also. So it was very helpful during residency. I could correlate the clinics with the app. And, I could open the app in my wards, in my OPD. And then, sir, the faculties, Dr. Saurabh, Dr. Arjun Khanna, I really adore them. They made sure that we understand the basic concepts. And also, they highlighted what are the most important points during teaching, what are asked usually in the SS exam, and what to focus more on. And the GTs are also a very good source of, updated content. I gave the GTs regularly, and it very much helped.
Very good, excellent. Number of questions you attempted in this exam?
Sir, I attempted 68 questions.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Doctor, why you left 12 questions?
I wanted to answer them also, but I wasn't sure between two, three options, so I just left them.
Okay. Now, what is the message that you want to give to the future aspirants of DM Pulmonary Critical Care?
Sir, I would like them to make sure that you study from the basics, not just focused on the SS and you just revise the high points, or just you while preparing also you prepare superficially what are asked in SS only. I want them to prepare from the basics, so it would really help in the exam, because now a lot of questions are being asked very clinical based. So you have to have a basic knowledge and then super added all the facts and numbers on above it.
Understood. Understood. Great, doctor. Now, time to thank, and whom all you want to thank that they helped you from day one till date to build your career.
So starting from my parents, they are the biggest source of motivation you can get. And throughout the journey, everyone which has helped, my friends, and the teachers, and everyone I would like to thank.
Great. We once again wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and amazing and a wonderful career in DM Pulmonary and Critical Care. Best wishes to you, Dr. Nikhil.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Bye.